Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are back with another video. You can check the amazing Pepito.io. You can check here stacking media, who is Pepito, breed, tokenomics, how to buy roadmap as well. We will check all the things one by one before discussing this. If you are new, kindly subscribe my channel so you will get all the notification from my YouTube channel. Pepito, the god of frogs. You can check. Congrats, you are early to the party. Buy and stack now during pre-sale to max out your reward before the price skyrockets. Here are the stacking reward 598. Why did we miss Pepito? Pepito about to drop a game-changing move. Buy Pepito token now. It ends in 3 days, 1 hour, and some minutes as well. USDT rise. You can check their Ethereum USDT card as well. And here are their featured Queenpedia, Binance, Crypto Potato, Crypto Slate, Crypto Daily, the Crypto Times as well. Here are their YouTube reviews as well. They are all also amazing. The God of Frog is ready to reveal the truth. Pepito takes the world of meme coin to the next level. Who is the god of frogs? Pepito returns with a true power, technology and optimization. Here are the missing prices Pip could never understand. Beyond strength, Pepito brings wisdom and unity, creating an exchange that adopts all meme coins, giving them real value and a place to thrive. This is the revolution Pip could never achieve. Read the white paper to know the full story. Here are their white paper is given. You can check and read it carefully so you can read all the things one by. The story of Pepito is given as well. White paper. He is the scared document. Pepito, the god of frog, has existed beyond the constraint of time and space, traveling across areas to gather 6 score documents, each representing a vital force needed to dominate the crypto and meme coin world. You can check all the things one by one. Here is the Anunnaki mystery and summary, civilization, power and energy as well. We will see the below things as well. Here is value of Pepito token. Under the watchful guidance of Pepito, the god of frog, the Pepito token stands as a symbol of trust and strength, fully audited with its smart contract code and openly disclosed. It ensures complete transparency and security of all users. You can check token audit, concert, solid proof and exchange contract are given. Optimization, future proof, growth, power, harness, community strength, energy, fuel for continuous growth. You can check Pepito bridge. You can check, are you a token owner? You believe in the god of frog. Zero fees, no listing cost, boosting liquidity, top security, enhanced assessed protection, cross-chain bridge, smooth blockchain integration, legitimacy, scam prone token are rejected, ensuring trust, no corruption. Here if you project merits a listing, it will be granted with full integrity. Should any support be needed, the god of frog will guide to apply. Now here tokenomics, pre-sale 30%, stacking 30%, marketing 20%, project development 7.5, liquidity 12.5. How to buy Pepito? Create your MetaMask wallet, load wallet with crypto, buy and stack Pepito. Here is their roadmap. Pepito sent Q5 to the website, launch the official Pepito and call to action as well. Here are their facts. You can check who is the god of frog, when can I claim my token, what is Pepito, why is better, when will Pepito be released. Here are their socials. You can join their Telegram and also Instagram, YouTube and